What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Max from Oddballs. Let's begin today's lesson at the very top of our page with the eyes. We're going to start right in the middle with a circle, starting from the very top, come all the way around towards the bottom, and then back up. Now we're going to leave a small gap and draw that same size circle on the left side. So we're going to line at the top, go all the way around towards the bottom, back up towards the top. Let's add two small circles in the center of each eye for the pupils. And I'll connect the eyes with a curve going across the top in between. Now let's come down to the bottom left side of the left eye, curve the beak, coming down and then out. And then we want to create a fold, so we step down, we go up, and then bend that down like a half circle. Now from the outside, just going to work our way across the mouth. And bend this down, go up towards the eyes, and then bend that out towards the cheek. And we'll overlap the cheek on the top of the corner of the mouth with a curve. Let's add two small lines on either side of the beak for the nostrils. And then from the bottom, we're just going to curve the chin. We're going to come down, round up the chin, and then pull that up. Let's add 4 teeth across the edge of the mouth. We're going to start from the left side, come down and up like a V, move over towards the right, and do that again, and we'll add 2 more. Now from here, we're going to work our way across the back of the head, down towards the bottom of the body. Let's start from the right side of the eye, bend this down, and then out. Let's round out the head, come straight down. I'm going to bend that in towards the back. Let's add a bump across the back, going out, and then in toward the top of the leg. Now from here, we're going to work our way down towards the front leg. Starting up here, and it's out, and then down towards the heel. And we're going to add 3 sharp toes. Start with the first one, coming down and out, and then up and in. Let's layer 2 more toes in behind. We're going to step up from that point, go out and up, go across the top, and we'll do that 1 more time. Now from the top of the last toe, we're going to bend the leg, going up, round up the top, and then bend that across. Now we're going to go underneath the chin and draw in the front of the body. Let's start up here, come down, bend this out. Let's round up the belly. I'm just going to tuck this in behind the leg. Let's draw that same leg in behind. We'll start from the tip of this toe, bend it down and out. Curve the top of the first toe. And again, we're just going to layer 2 more toes in behind. And then we'll round out the front of the leg, going out, then up. Let's add a fold across the knee with a curve, coming down and up on both sides. Now with the body in place, let's overlap the arm on top. We'll start up here, it's going to bend the back of the arm, going across, and then down, and we'll bend the first finger, going out towards the back. Let's round up the bottom finger, going down and then up. And there are 2 more fingers in behind. So we'll step down, come down, and then up. Let's do that 1 more time, going all the way around, then the arm going up, and then in. Let's add that seam across the side of the body. Start from the corner of the mouth, bend this around, come down, and then in behind the arm, come down towards the bottom, bend this out in behind the leg. Now we want to add a series of curves on the left side of the body. So we'll start from the top, bend this down, and then up, move down. And I just want to continue all the way down towards the bottom of the body. Now let's add the tail coming out from the right side. Starting up here, start by going out, and then down, and then bend this back up towards the end of the tail. Now I'm just going to trace this curve coming along the bottom and then back in. Let's add that trim across the bottom of the tail. I just want to taper this out towards the end. Now add 2 curves across the bottom. Now we want to add some scales going across the back. Let's start from the top with a small half circle, leave a gap, and then again, just continuing this all the way down toward the bottom, the top of the tail. Now we'll add a few small ones across the top of the tail. Start from the inside, working our way out. Let's finish off by signing our art and adding a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw Max from Oddballs. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single week. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.